Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hookah. Okay, hookah is a good pastime. It's good when you have friends along. It's good when you have some nice ambient light. If you've got some soft music playing, the hookah is a nice way to pass time and just chat. So the hookah essentially is something that was invented roughly in the 16th century, somewhere in the Persian Empire. Then it traveled all the way to India, and of course now it has become a world popular pastime. Okay, so I'm going to take you through how to make a hookah. Firstly, let me just show you the hookah. This is the hookah. The hookah is essentially made up of a few parts. This is a ceramic cup right at the top. This will hold your flavor, okay, the flavor that you will use to smoke. This is a stem. This is a tray which is for any of the excess ash that you have. And this right here is the base of the hookah. This holds water. The water is essentially what filters the smoke as it passes before you actually smoke it, right? And this is a hose. This is the hose which you will eventually put into your mouth and smoke the hookah. So first, let me tell you what all we'll need before smoking the hookah, before making the hookah. So we'll need obviously the hookah itself. We will need some coal. We'll need a hookah flavor. The hookah flavor that I have is a double apple flavor. It's a nice fruity flavor. There are some other flavors available in the market. You can experiment with that. Okay, you'll need a pair of tongs because you have to ensure that you don't handle the coal by yourself with your fingers. You will burn yourself. That's not good. Okay, you will also need some water. As I said, the water goes into the base of the hookah. You will need a lighter. Okay, you will need aluminum foil. Aluminum foil is what you will have on top of the ceramic cup that will hold the coal on the top. Okay, you will need a pin to make some holes into the ceramic foil. Alright, so now quickly let me tell you how we will make the hookah. Okay, so firstly, in the bottom of the hookah you will pour some water. Ensure that you fill the base of the hookah with about 2/3 water so that the stem of the hookah is submerged into it, so that the smoke passes through the water. Then you will put some hookah flavor into the ceramic cup. Ensure that you don't put too much, but you don't put too little as well, right? That's about how much flavor we will put. After that, you will cover this with the aluminum foil. As you can see, ensure that you've covered it flat nicely and it's properly covered. After this, you will make some holes in the aluminum foil. And on top of this is what you will be placing the coal. So you will make some holes like this, so that this is for the passage of the smoke. Okay, right? And then you will place the ceramic cup back onto the hookah. While assembling the hookah, remember that at the bottom of the hose there is this rubber suction cup. This is a must when you're lighting your hookah. This will go back in here. Okay, now we will light the coal. Hold the coal with the tongs and use a lighter to light it. As you can see, there are some sparks flying. Ensure that the sparks cover the entire surface, so you know that the entire coal has been lit once before you place the coal on top of the aluminum foil. After placing the coal on the aluminum foil, you will then have to what we call activate the hookah itself. It will take some time for smoke to start coming out. So inhale a few times. Once you inhale, initially there'll be less smoke, right? And as you inhale a few times, the hookah will get activated, and then eventually you will get nice, lovely smoke, flavored smoke flowing through the hookah. Right then, that was it for making the hookah. As I said, it's a fun pastime where you spend some time with friends, chatting with some good music, some good lighting, nice warm soft lighting, and it's a good way to pass an evening and spend some time. We'll be back again with some more exciting videos on different places, different people, different fun things to do, as it becomes important in life to sometimes just step back, have some fun, let your hair down, and just spend a lovely evening with friends. So we'll be back again. Take care. Bye-bye.